The world of action cameras has been dominated for over a decade by one name, GoPro. It became the generic term for adventure cameras, much like Xerox once was for photocopying. Yet, over the last few years, a new challenger has steadily been chipping away at this monopoly. DJI, a company best known for its drones. With the Osmo Action Series, DJI has aimed squarely at GoPro's audience, offering something fresh, powerful, and competitive. Now, with the release of the DJI Osmo Action 6, the conversation has shifted. This is no longer just a competitor, it is arguably the new leader in the field. In fact, after testing it extensively, comparing it side by side with GoPro's latest flagship, and evaluating its usability across a wide range of scenarios, I can confidently say that the Osmo Action 6 is the better choice for most users. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, I'll break down exactly why the Action 6 might be the camera that finally convinces you to skip the GoPro. From the moment you pick up the Osmo Action 6, one thing becomes clear. DJI is no longer trying to play catch-up. The design has matured into something uniquely DJI, with subtle refinements that prioritize function over flashy gimmicks. The body feels solid and rugged, yet lighter and more comfortable to handle than many GoPros I've used. Its build quality exudes a sense of confidence, with reinforced edges and waterproof sealing that make it ready to endure harsh environments. Unlike GoPro's more angular approach, the Action 6 has slightly softer contours that make it fit more comfortably in the hand. And while both cameras are built for adventure, DJI has managed to make theirs feel more approachable without sacrificing toughness. The star of any action camera is its image quality, and this is where DJI has made leaps that leave GoPro scrambling. The Osmo Action 6 introduces an upgraded sensor that performs brilliantly in all lighting conditions, something GoPro has traditionally struggled with. Low-light shots, which are the Achilles heel of most compact action cameras, look significantly better on the Action 6. Grain is reduced, shadows are more detailed, and highlights are preserved more gracefully. When you're skiing at dusk, riding your bike under tree cover, or filming a night drive, the Action 6 captures the mood without descending into noise-filled mush. In bright conditions, it handles dynamic range superbly, keeping skies vibrant while ensuring shadows remain visible. GoPro's footage can sometimes feel overly processed, with sharpening and contrast pushed a little too hard. DJI's approach is more natural and cinematic, which gives creators a better canvas to work with in post-production. Of course, resolution and frame rates are critical for action enthusiasts, and DJI has raised the bar here as well. The Osmo Action 6 can shoot in 5.7K at 60 frames per second, offering an incredible level of detail and fluidity. For slow-motion lovers, it supports 4K at up to 120 frames per second, letting you capture every splash, jump, and trick in buttery smooth playback. The quality of slow motion on this camera is astonishing, with clarity that remains sharp even during fast pans or sudden movements. GoPro, of course, offers similar specs, but in real-world tests, DJI's footage often comes out crisper and cleaner, particularly when fast motion and challenging lighting combine. This is where the new processing engine inside the Action 6 makes its presence felt, optimizing colors and exposure on the fly with